Is there anyone who doesn't know S-Shape 30K 2.5? S-Shape 32 in one handle, a must-have weapon for body shaping. S-Shape 30K recommended by many people, cost-effective and effective in reducing fat. Visible results can be seen in just one session, and 6 to 12 courses of treatment are recommended. 2-in-1 handle design, more comfortable handle arc design, suitable for fat in different body parts. EMS&L, effectively firm and lift the face. S-Shape 30K 2.5, shape the body and face in one machine